Step 6. Analyse the basic ordering ideas that do not appear in the headings. Now this hack takes us closer to a detailed reading. We're looking for the basic ordering ideas in each section of the article, the ones not announced in the A-level headings, in order to get a sense of how the more detailed structure of the work unfolds. For this stage of our lesson, you need to look at the PDF of the original article and the PDF of one suggested set of basic ordering ideas that I've created for you in order to see how this works. Your aim is to provide subheadings as if you had to, so that you're after the basic ordering ideas at the B and maybe even the C levels, which will get you even closer to the article and to a more accurate understanding of it. So for now, I'm going to show you a basic route map gleaned from the paragraphs and their basic ordering ideas, so that you can see how this skeleton adds further detail to our rapidly growing picture of what this article says. In the paragraphs, we could also add, in some cases, further subheadings for basic ordering ideas. We could, in fact, get more and more detailed, but we need to keep it nice and clear and not too detailed for the purposes of our lesson here. But just know that you can do that. You can keep going deeper in a more detailed way into the structure of the work. So I'm going to add my own headings beneath the A-level headings that the author provided. And these headings that I'm going to add in will try to capture in a quick nub what I can deduce. Remember, this is just me deducing basic ordering ideas by skimming the paragraphs and analysing their coverage. I can do this rapidly now because of practice. It will take you longer to do it, especially at first. But then remember that you need to practice all the hacks to build brain habit, and when you do, you'll ace your law studies. I'm going to keep this pretty short here and rely on you looking at the materials in your own time. At this point, each additional heading represents a paragraph, just to keep things clear for you with this technique. You're going to have to take some time to read the paragraph and analyse its main concerns in order to distill it into a basic ordering idea. This is just my first stab. You might do better over time, and I would certainly tighten this up gradually as I read the text more closely. It depends how much time and attention we put into it. At this point, I just want you to understand the technique and get an idea of how this works. Practice will then make perfect over time. So have a look at the heading of Do Human Rights Help or Hinder Environmental Protection, the first one, A-level heading 1, the case for hindrance, and you'll see that I've generated a few subheadings below that capture what I think is the basic ordering idea of each paragraph. I've done the same for help at hand, and so on. The rest of this is broken down on a PDF so that you can see it laid out clearly. But hopefully, if you pause and look at those things now, you'll get the idea. You should also try and give it a go for yourself. As I say, I've supplied the complete initial map on the PDF for you in the links.